God, you won't believe this. It's fucking loud. Croaking. What? Sorry, Dad. I can hear. I'm really yelling. I can hear the fucking frog croaking. Every time I open that window, it's pretty loud and louder. I can hear one loud croaking. Let's watch it. Right over there. Now what the frog is? And the baby frog over there. Right over there. They're fucking loud. Really loud. I don't know. I don't know why he fucking loud. I don't know. So fucking awesome. Get loud. Get fucking loud. Hold on a second. That's fucking loud. I can hear it. I can fucking hear it. You too, right? Oh, by the way, frog is my hobby animal. My favorite. And dragon too, yeah. My frog is number one. And the fucking loud again. Did you think he can have sex? Yeah, fucking Croak. Get it? Hold on. I think they have sex. Not one that, you know. Get it? That's fucking loud. Fucking loud, man. Oh my God. Fucking loud. Okay, you're fucking loud. Okay, you're fucking loud, man. Damn, I can't hear you. That's why you're wide open. Oh. Hey, who there? Oh, just me. Gotta go. Hold you, Mom. Gotta go, guys. Bye.